how to use your American Express points. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use your American Express membership rewards points. So, over time, while you use your American Express card, you will accumulate certain amount of points on your account. So, if you don't know how to use it, then this video is exactly for you. Now, basically, whenever you use your American Express card, depending on where you're using your card, for every dollar you spend, they will give you a certain amount of points to your account. So let's say you spend a dollar on select grocery stores, you will gain maybe 5 points, maybe 3 points, depending upon which card you have. Now you can see those details on the official homepage of American Express on the details of each different card. Now, once you have accumulated enough points, what you can do to use them is basically tap on the option view and redeem points. And now, in order to redeem your American Express points, you can do is basically scroll down and then you can see all of these different options right over here. You can simply use your points to purchase any of these if you have enough points, or you can visit various sections over here. You can buy some kitchen appliances, fashion and accessories. You can buy, use and give points. You can simply buy gift cards, certificates, or you can also see special offers. So whichever one you choose, you can simply redeem the points you have and simply get what you can get using those points over here. So let's say I'll simply go to travel, and now you can simply browse through all of these different features or options right over here and simply choose which option you'd like to redeem. So let's say you just want to redeem a Fairmount Hotels and Resorts gift card. You can simply tap on it. After that, you can simply choose the value. So let's say with 13,000 points, you'll get a value of $100 gift card. You can simply choose this and then add to cart and buy this over here. So that is basically how you use your points. You can simply use it to redeem various offers provided by American Express. You just have to look around and find exactly what you want to redeem it for. So that is basically how you use your American Express points. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.